AXON stock analysis and AXON stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Axon Enterprise stock. It's down 5.2, 5.3%. So where the heck are we heading next with this? To be very clear, I'm looking to take things up. Context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of great predictions. And now specifically looking at AXON. The idea here is that unless I see a shift, then there's just no reason for me to buy. Because like, you know, we're kind of retracing down. So me just kind of assuming that it will go up and just blindly getting involved hasn't served me. Let's put it this way. Because, you know, before this, I have done 36,000 videos. So AXON, the only thing that I would like to see is a shift. And either it's going to be like a 15 minute, which obviously I most likely prefer, either 30, even 1 hour. But yeah, I'm going to keep you updated and more so wait for more candles to appear. But since it's the weekend, we're staying on the sidelines. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and clean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.